All right, so everybody out in YouTube land, I'm going to rotate a solid, parabola on its side, right? A vertical line, a horizontal line. I'm going to go about x equals 8. It got cut off again, but 8 here. Everybody, I don't want to spend any time with the graphing. If you're trying to do this at home, you can try to graph these three. Everybody, the big deal is that this is our enclosed region. Everybody, since we're going about a vertical line, it's going to be C to D, AY, DY. And because I set 0 and 4, right, since I set 0 and 4 on these lines, I don't need to know, I know it hits here at 8, but I don't need to know that. Does that make sense to everybody? But you have to catch now that this thickness of this shape going around is dy thick. And everybody, it is a washer. I don't know if I can sketch this, honestly. I'm so not great at it. So everybody, I would write this first. I would write this first. And then if I blow this down a little bit so I have a little more room, I would say, hey, AY is a washer, everybody. It is absolutely positively a washer, okay? If I'm trying to draw this shape, I don't know. Guys, it's like a bowl. It's an upside down bowl where the outsides are 90 degrees. This is why YouTube, you just witnessed why I don't draw these, okay? So everybody, it is 0 to 4. It is 0 to 4. Guys, I'm going to put the pi outside right away. It is RO squared minus RI squared dy. I'm going to use my, what color have I used? Red. Everybody, the outside radius is the easy one. It's from 8 to 0. Everybody, you can do this as a formula. Do we all agree? We just know it's 8. But guys, if you're using the formulas, it's 8 minus 0. So I'll write that in so we see this. Because everybody, guess what we got to do with the other one? 8 minus. Because everybody, the inside radius goes to this curve. So it's 8 minus, okay, this x distance. But guys, what is x? 1/2 y squared. Oh, you know what? I was saying a couple of you guys, this is not a one. They might put this on a non-calculator portion because it's going to end up with y to the 4th and y squared, simple integrals. I don't want to do it. So everybody, what I would type in my calculator would be, and I don't, listen, if I'm using my calculator, I use my calculator. And what I mean by that is I would actually type in 8 squared. I wouldn't, maybe I'd put in 64. Maybe I would, I don't know. I don't want to lie. What value for a fraction did you get here?
I did it wrong.
You did it wrong. Anybody got this number or not?
1792 over 15.
792. 1792 over 15. Guys, pi. Everybody, I'm most interested here. Does everybody see what happened here? It's a washer. This is just something you didn't put in your calculator at this point. Do we agree? And that might not be right there in videotape land. I'm not even going to check it because I care about this. Guys, in my class, 2, it'll be 6 problems. 2 will be evaluate. They'll be easy. Then it'll be 4 set up but don't evaluate. Set up but don't evaluates. And right here, right? Setups but do not evaluate. And if you leave 8 minus 0, I'll give you full credit. All right? Everybody, remember, you can always do it this way. All right? You would have, if you were solving without a calculator, you'd have to write 64. Guys, you got to multiply. There's a square there. You got to multiply this binomial out. You got to take 8 minus 1/2 y squared times 8 minus 1/2 y squared. Write that trinomial. Distribute the sign, then integrate the 2 terms that are left. It's not horrible, but it just takes time.
Then you integrate, then you plug in the 4 in there.
The 0 to 4, you evaluate, yep, from your limits. You got it.